Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of 4 minus 2x to the power of 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. To find the coefficient of the x cubed term in the expansion of 4 minus 2x to the power of 5, we need to expand this using binomial expansion, which is a three-step process. First, we need to use Pascal's triangle to identify the coefficients of each term of the expansion. Then, we assign ascending and descending exponents to the terms 4 and minus 2x, before simplifying to find the coefficient of the x cubed term. Pascal's triangle is a powerful triangular array of numbers which starts with the number 1 at the top. Subsequent rows are found by adding together the two numbers directly above it. For the binomial expansion of 4 minus 2x to the power of 5, we need to find the fifth row of Pascal's triangle. So let's begin with 1. The first row of Pascal's triangle is a pair of 1s directly underneath. To find the values on the second row, we need to add the numbers above. That gives us 1, 2, and 1. The third row is 1, 3, 3, and 1. The fourth row is 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. And the fifth row is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. These numbers will be the coefficients of our binomial expansion. So let's write them down. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. There are two terms in the expression we are expanding, a 4 and a minus 2x term. Let's begin by multiplying the minus 2x term in descending powers with each coefficient. Beginning with minus 2x to the power of 5. Then to the power of 4. And 3, 2, 1, and 0. the second term, a positive 4, we do the same but in ascending powers from 0. So 4 to the power of 0, then to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Before simplifying this, it's essential to remember that non-zero numbers raised to the power of 0 are equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by minus 2x to the power of 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of 0 is equal to minus 32x to the power of 5. 5 multiplied by minus 2x to the power of 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 16x to the power of 4 multiplied by 4. 10 multiplied by minus 2x cubed multiplied by 4 squared is equal to 10 multiplied by minus 8x cubed multiplied by 16. 10 multiplied by minus 2x squared multiplied by 4 cubed is equal to 10 multiplied by 4x squared multiplied by 64. 5 multiplied by minus 2x to the power of 1 multiplied by 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by minus 2x multiplied by 256. And 1 multiplied by minus 2x to the power of 0 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5 is equal to 1024. We can simplify this further. Minus 32x to the power of 5 plus 320 x to the power of 4 minus 1280 x cubed plus 2560 x squared minus 2560 x plus 1024, which gives us a coefficient of minus 1280 for the x cubed term. So the answer to this question is minus 1280. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.